I'm Sherlock and Key Locksmith. Today we're going to work on a Jaguar F-Type. Pretty much the same idea of Land Rovers. Usually you're going to have the KVM on this side. Some of them have it on this side. If it's a sedan, you're going to have it on the cushion on the back seat. And again, some cars have it different places, Jaguar and Land Rover. But this time the KVM will be on the right hand side. Usually on the Jaguars you're going to have it on the left hand side. If you don't find it on the right, most likely on the left if it's an SUV. Sorry, if it's not on the left, it's on the right. Okay, so you can see this thing over here, you don't really have to take it out. What we're going to do today is take out both of these screws, 1 and 2. Beforehand, I'm going to take out the cover, tire cover. Have it on the side. We'll take here an Allen wrench, size 7/32. One and 2, and then you have also 2. You take a we'll get to that in a second. We'll pause this to take these out. So after taking off those, I'll come with the flat screwdriver and a Phillips. We'll take out both of these screws over here, and then 1, 2. You have everything exactly on the other side. It's basically the same build. If it's the right side or left side usually. Oopsie. Oh, fell down somewhere. We'll get to it in a minute. So in this case, we're gonna have also a screw right here. Show them where the screw is if you don't mind going in there. Yes, thank you. Oh, sorry about this one. It's an Allen wrench. It's an Allen wrench 1. This one. So guys, to take this out, you're going to take an Allen wrench. That's 5/32. Some of them have Phillips, if I remember well, as well. You have the 12 volt over here, so you don't have that on the other side. So when we're taking it out, you're going to see what I'm going to do. Okay guys, after a long time of a screw, we're going to take this out. Take a flat screwdriver, put it in. It's really coming from the other side, but that's fine. Take this out. You have this, we're going to pull on it. 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to see over here the 12 volt. Disconnect it. You have this for the light. You could disconnect it as well. I pressed over here and I disconnected it. This goes out. While you're going to have these pins 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you show them if you don't mind? 1, 2, 3, 4 pins. You're going to have this as well. To take that out, let me show them again. So this, you come over here, take this out. This comes out like this, and then you could pull this out. So this works on this. Now, once we took that out, we could pull on these as well, or you could take one by one out like this, or you could be like me, that pulls out everything, and then I'll find those and get to them. Once you pull these out, this could bother you as well. So just pick this up like this. And there's one more screw I forgot about right here. Third screw. And you can pick up like this. And it's out of your way. Once you do this, you have a 10mm over here, a 10mm over here. This is the computer. We're going to take out the computer. You can pause until we get the 10 socket. Or you can continue and come with the socket right now. 1, 2. Thank you. So, once you pull on it a little bit, this one as well, that's already open. Someone worked already on this car beforehand. You take out 3 of these. You have here this. You're going to pull on it. 1, 2, 3. 2 more seconds. That's good answer. You have this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and boom, you have the computer. If you're shipping out the computer for some odd reason, keep it closed like this in the shell.